So here we've got some missing fraction problems, but we solve these in the same way that we solve missing number problems with whole numbers. So first, 1 and 1/6 minus something equals 2/3. So here, it's the subtrahend or the second number of the subtraction question that's missing, so we still use subtraction to find our missing number. We can work out 1 and 1/6 minus 2/3, and that will give us our missing fraction. But to subtract fractions, we need the denominators to be the same, so we need to find a fraction equivalent to 2/3, which has a denominator of 6. So we can rewrite our question as 1 and 1/6 minus 4/6. That's equivalent to 2/3 because 3 times 2 is 6 and 2 times 2 is 4. But now we need to subtract 4/6 and we only have 1/6 in our mixed number. So we need to change our mixed number to an improper fraction. 1 times 6 is 6 plus 1 is 7. So that's 7/6, and now we can take 4/6 away. The denominator stays the same, and 7 minus 4 is 3. So our missing fraction here is 3/6. Now, something minus 3/4 is 5/8. So here it's the minuend, or the first number, of the subtraction that's missing. Remember, subtraction problems can be read backwards as addition problems, so to find our missing number, we can add 5/8 and 3/4. To add fractions, the denominators need to be the same, so we need to find a fraction equivalent to 3/4 with a denominator of 8. So that's the same as 6/8, because 4 times 2 is 8 and 3 times 2 is 6. So now our denominators are the same, so the denominator stays the same in our answer, and 5 plus 6 is 11. Now we could write our missing number as an improper fraction, so as 11/8, but we can turn that back into a mixed number. 11 divided by 8 is 1 remainder 3, so that's 1 and 3/8 as a mixed number, because 1 times 8 is 8, then we need 3 more to get to 11. Now, something plus 5/6 equals 1.5. So here we have a missing number addition, and whenever we have a missing number addition, we always use subtraction to find our missing number. So we need to work out 1.5 minus 5/6. We need the denominators to be the same, so 1.5 is the same as 1 and 3/6, because we use multiplication to find equivalent fractions. 2 times 3 is 6, 1 times 3 is 3. But we need to take 5/6 away, so let's turn 1 and 3/6 into an improper fraction. 1 times 6 is 6, plus 3 is 9, so that's 9/6. Now the denominator stays the same, and 9 minus 5 is 4, so our missing number is 4/6. So let's look at what we did here. For this first question, we knew that we started with 1 and 1/6, and something had been subtracted to leave 2/3. But because 2/3 is the same as 4/6, we know that the 3/6 that we have in blue must have been subtracted. Then we knew that 3/4 had been subtracted from something to leave 5/8. Now 3/4 is the same as 6/8, so if we put that together with the 5/8, we know that 11/8 or 1 whole and 3/8 must have been what we started with. Then we knew that 5/6 had been added to something to make 1.5. Now 1.5 is the same as 1 and 3/6, so the 4/6 that are in blue must have been what we started with. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that was helpful. If you're a teacher or a parent, then please subscribe or go to keystage2maths.com to download resources for this lesson and many more. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.